All right, what's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? My name is Philip Anglade, and welcome to FXFundNow.com, where we teach the safe yet rules of Forex. So, as I was breaking down this chart, I found something pretty interesting. So the last time that we were on, I just came up with some stuff, and I was like, what if X, Y, and Z and all this stuff? Yeah, this is where we were last time. I was like, man, what is it supposed to push down? Oh, no, we were right here. It's supposed to push down in the continuation. There was no push down. It just continued. Thank God I still stuck into my buy, and I forgot exactly how many pips I caught, but it was a good amount of it. All right, so I caught this move, and I got out because I didn't know where it was going to continue, and then I moved going up. I just put buy stops right at the top of the last high to be able to catch that. So what I'm looking at right now is literally the same thing that I was looking at over here. I'm looking for the same thing right there. Okay, so we did actually get to our point B without making a point C, so there's no point B. So what I'm looking at is for this to act. I'm actually looking for this to actually be what I've been looking for. I shouldn't be assuming, but I'm going to show you why I'm assuming. Right? I'm going to show you why I am assuming. Okay, so I'm just going to literally move everything that I just did so you can be able to see everything that I'm about to do. Literally all the same thing over and over and over again. Let's go back 61.8 area. And then from there, the continuation somewhere up there. All right. So what we have here is point A. And let me back up all the way so you can be able to see my full analysis of the entire thing. So what we have here is point A, point B here. You see how I went on the higher time frame? I went on the daily now, because every time frame has a move on it. And what I teach, of course, the fact on each time frame is each time frame is a market itself. GBPJPY, you could be focusing on the hour time frame. I could be focusing on the daily time frame. We are in two completely different markets. We're on the same pair, but we're looking at two completely different markets. That's why when you could be in a buy, I could be in a sell, and we're both right. Because you're probably on a shorter time frame for the pullback, or for a continuation, or for a pullback, and I'm on the actual long-term move, but we're both right. So point A, point B, point C, point D. Where did it go? Okay, I'm looking for the push to the downside right now. It's gonna be a long push. I'm gonna also show you something which is really, really cool. First time I saw this, I was like, yo, is this real? So look at this. Look at this. You see the length right here? I want you to see this. I'm just gonna copy this and put this length here, but I'm gonna go to the H4 time frame. So you can be able to see that actually that was not the right one. So let's look. Let's look at this actual length here. Boom. I'm gonna delete this. Right. You see that length right there from this point to that point? I'm going to copy that, paste it, and I'm just going to put that thing right there. Okay, that's not what I was looking for. I forgot how the hell I did it just now, and it was the same freaking length. Whatever. It doesn't matter. Forget what I just said. What the heck? Okay, well. Bro, it was the same exact length. How did I do that last time? I don't know. Don't just did. It was the same length before. That's too funny. Oh, let me look at 61.8. Negative 61.8, and let's see. Let's look at the daily time frame. Let's see if it would be the same length to 61.8, because if so, we might as well just keep that. Does it go to 61.8? It gets just about to 61.8, which is pretty interesting. Oh, this is what I was looking at. The fact that it got to this high. I forgot what I was looking at earlier. Whatever, it goes to about this 61.8 area. If this continues, wow. Whatever. So what I'm looking for is for the continuation of this push to the upside. But what I am also looking for is for this to pull down a bit. Okay. I am looking for this to pull down a bit. Maybe now, maybe later. But what I saw is this. The fact that we have, so that point C on the daily time frame, daily, is our point A. Is our point A for the H4 times frame. And that point B is for H4. So point A, point B, I'm looking for this to pull down. It may not, and that's completely fine. May not be now, right? But what's interesting is we're at Confluence with a daily key level. And at the same time, once we actually get to a 38.2, that 38.2 is in Confluence with this H4's key level, right? The 61.8 doesn't, right, which is fine. But when we push, when we have the continuation to the push of the push, to this negative 27%, this is in Confluence with my weekly key level, which is pretty interesting. Okay, how do I come up with these key levels and stuff like that? This is all in the actual course itself. In the section where it says where do I start marking on my charts. So I'll be looking for the continuation to this point D 149.9. If this doesn't pull down and continue its pull down, whatever, I'll just put a buy stop right above this again, and I'll catch another whatever pips. All right, probably even getting to 149 flat level. That'll be my take profit for the continuation push if that's what it decides to do when I'm sleeping. All right, so it looks like GJ is crazy bullish right now. Beautiful. I'm gonna catch moves either way, no matter what. All right, but I'm not really the type to go against trend. But I do have a sell going to this 145.5 area. Right, 145.5. I didn't put a take profit yet, but it was going to be wherever I find 145.5 area. And I do have a stop loss literally right above the last high. And do I suggest you guys do this? No, this is not really the way I trade, but at the same time, I don't mind missing out on some pips to gain some more if at the buy stop is higher. So go to fxpronow.com, check out our 5-step system to become an FX Pro now. Let's get it.